Have you ever wondered if you could see particles? The ones you were told were so minuscule our eyes couldn't perceive them?
Yeah, me neither, but turns out you can. Today, my friend and I will show you how.
A device called the cloud chamber can visualize particles and is the main topic of our video.
For your better understanding, we divided the video into 4 main points. The creation of the cloud chamber, how it works, how it's built, and its importance. One lovely day in the 19th century in Scotland, a man named Charles Thomson Rees Wilson was walking along the summit of Ben Nevis when he saw a glory, which are optical illusions of colored rings beneath clouds. He was so amazed by them, he wanted to recreate it himself. In doing that, he realized how to make condensation nuclei, which were the first steps in his creation of the cloud chamber, also known as the Wilson chamber.
Since there are different types of cloud chambers, in this video, we will be referring to the diffusion type cloud chamber. A cloud chamber is used to visualize background radiation, which is the radiation present in our environment, like our phones, nuclear waste, rocks, and the radiation in some food and drink.
Simplified, it's an enclosure with saturated vapor. It's important that the bottom of the cloud chamber is very cold at around -30 to -40 degrees Celsius, and the top extremely hot at around 50 degrees Celsius.
It works like this. As the charged particles of radiation pass through the vapor, they ionize it and make condensation nuclei, which forms tiny droplets of the liquid in its path. So it's not actually radiation you see, but the path it took. It's similar to the vapor trail you see when an airplane passes through the air. Because of how easy it is to reproduce, it can be found in lots of schools, universities, and science centers. All you need is a clear plastic container with felt glued on the bottom, a base for the container, preferably black, a base to put it all on, isopropyl alcohol, and dry ice. Because the former two materials are harder to get by and should be used carefully, you'll also need protective gear.
The cloud chamber holds importance in a spectrum of fields, like physics, medicine, and education. It had a major impact on the early nuclear and particle physics research. It demonstrated the existence of new particles, cosmic rays, and nuclear fission. We hope you learned something today, and then this knowledge will be useful to you someday. And if not, we just wasted 3 minutes of your life.
Thank you for watching, and to finish this on a good note, here's a physics joke. Why can't you trust an atom?
They make up everything.